Have you ever noticed that one AutoCAD drawing works perfectly fine, but after copying objects from another DWG file, the new drawing suddenly becomes slow, starts lagging, takes longer to save, or even crashes unexpectedly? This is a very common problem that many AutoCAD users experience. The issue is often described as a drawing being infected by another DWG. While it is not usually a virus, unwanted data such as corrupt objects, excessive annotation scales, duplicate definitions, registered applications, proxy objects, or damaged blocks can be transferred when you copy and paste content between drawings. The good news is that this problem can usually be fixed completely. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to identify the cause and prevent one DWG file from slowing down another. The first thing you should do is confirm that the lag started after copying content from another drawing. If the problem appeared immediately after a copy-paste operation, there is a strong chance that unwanted information came along with the objects. Start by opening the affected drawing and saving a backup copy. Never perform cleanup operations without keeping a safe copy of the original file. Next, type Audit and press Enter. When AutoCAD asks if you want to fix errors, type Y and press Enter. Allow the audit process to complete. This command checks the drawing database and repairs many common errors. After the audit finishes, type Purge and press Enter. Click Purge All and repeat the process several times until AutoCAD reports that no more items can be removed. Many unnecessary definitions and unused objects can be eliminated during this step. If the lag still exists, type -purge and press Enter. Notice the minus sign before the command. Choose the Reg Apps option and press Enter, then select All. Registered applications, often called reg apps, are one of the most common causes of drawings becoming bloated after copying content between files. Over time, thousands of unnecessary reg app entries can accumulate and slow down performance. Removing them often produces an immediate improvement. Another common source of problems is annotation scales. Type Scale List Edit and press Enter. Choose the Reset option and confirm the reset. Drawings imported from external sources sometimes contain hundreds or even thousands of annotation scales. Every time the file opens, AutoCAD has to process this information, which can create noticeable lag. Now inspect the copied objects themselves. If you imported blocks from another drawing, type Bedit and examine the block definitions. Corrupt or excessively detailed blocks can slow down an entire project. If necessary, recreate the block using clean geometry. If you copied large amounts of hatch patterns, PDF imports, or DGN imports, these can also introduce thousands of unnecessary entities. Use Overkill to remove duplicate objects and simplify the geometry where possible. One of the most effective cleanup methods is using WBlock. Type WBlock and press Enter. Choose Entire Drawing as the source and save the drawing under a new file name. This creates a completely fresh DWG file and often removes hidden problems that standard cleanup commands cannot eliminate. Open the new WBlock file and test its performance. Many users find that lag disappears immediately after this step. If you still suspect a specific source drawing, do not use normal copy and paste. Instead, open the source file separately and clean it first using Audit, Purge, Reg App Cleanup, and Annotation Scale Reset. Once the source drawing has been cleaned, try inserting it as a block or using Design Center rather than directly copying and pasting objects. This often transfers geometry more safely. To prevent this problem in the future, make it a habit to clean drawings before sharing them. Regularly run Audit and Purge, remove reg apps, reset annotation scales when necessary, and use WBlock to create fresh project files. These maintenance steps dramatically reduce the chances of transferring hidden problems between drawings. So to summarize, if copying objects from one DWG causes another drawing to become slow, start with audit and purge. Remove regapps using -purge, reset annotation scales, inspect imported blocks and geometry, use overkill to remove duplicates, and finally create a fresh file using wblock. Following these steps will eliminate most cases of DWG lag and keep your AutoCAD projects running smoothly. I hope this tutorial helped you understand why drawings sometimes become slow after copy-paste operations and how to fix the problem quickly. If you found this guide useful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AutoCAD troubleshooting tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.